Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a short unboxing of some stuff I bought at the Road and Hobby Supply store up in Winsted, Connecticut. I'll put a link to their website down in the description. So let's just get right into it because I don't have much time. We'll start with the most boring stuff and move up to the most exciting stuff. First we have this bottle of Scenic Cement. Yeah, it's Scenic Cement. And then we have some trees. I thought they were pretty nice for $8. Thought I'd pick them up because I don't want to make my own. Next we have some small cars for my yard and stuff, and an extra switch. So that's that so far. And then we have 2 containers, a hedging and a camo. And then I also bought this set, my jack crane for intermodal cars. So that's that so far. And then for the containers in the intermodal cars in this thing, I got the Gunderson double stack set, 5-unit set for 40 foots. So these are 45-foot containers, but yeah, this should still work. And last but not least, we have a Kato SD70 ACE in Norfolk Southern. I've always wanted one of these to go with my Dash 8 and my other SD70, so I thought this would be cool to have. So, yeah, here's that. Number 101. Sorry, 1001. If my camera would focus. Okay, it's not gonna focus, but yeah, here's this thing. I thought it was pretty cool. And then I'll open this for you. It might take me a second. So y'all can just get us a look what these look like, and then I'll do a review on these in the future too, once I get the notification. So yeah, here's that. These are the press tags for the container. Don't worry about that. Yeah, so here we go. I might run these single stack like this because I think they look better like that. But yeah, sorry it's not focusing. There we go. This is either the end or the beginning, and then yeah. So that's pretty much it. I'll go over everything. First off, we've got this SD70 ACE Norfolk Southern. Then we've got these, a my jack crane, a turnout, 2 extra containers, 2 curbs, and some trees, and some Scenic Cement. Sorry, I'm kind of in a rush. But I'll show you what these look like with this container on here, if I can get it. If it'll lock in. I have to use the blue one. Sorry about this, guys. There we go. So it looks like with the 45-foot container on it. So, yeah. That's pretty much it for this video. I'll do a more in-depth review once I get home. I'll show you guys all this stuff running, and I'll just do a layout update because, you know, it's April. So, yeah, see y'all on the next one. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and, yeah, see y'all.